Okay, well, that was the intro of our episode. So let's get to the real point. Yeah, come on, we need to get the episode started. Yeah, come on, Thomas. Yeah, I'm coming. Come on, everybody, get in your positions. All right. Action. Today is such a weird day. Seems like every day is such a weird day, doesn't it? I mean, yeah, sometimes new characters get introduced, sometimes weird crap happens, but other times some stuff can happen, like villains can rise, and peep, peep. What in tarnation was that sound? My name is Thomas. I am from Japan, but I'm Thomas. No, I'm Thomas. But I'm the U.S. Thomas. But I'm the Japanese Thomas. But I'm better than you. But I have more better quality than you. How? Well, for starters, I have a lamp. My whistle actually looks better. I have better buffers than you do. And I don't even have any coal, which is accurate. Yeah, okay. He's right. Isn't he, guys? Yep, he's totally right. That's what I thought. So, anyways, with that out of the way, I think that, whoa, hello, children. I see that you've met Thomas. Yes, actually we have. Well, that's good to know. Thomas, how do you feel on the island of Sodor? I feel like crap. Okay. Seems like he's a little feisty. I know, right? Ugh. Thomas, can you get out of the way for a second? All right. He's not really used to children like you, so you all should treat him with kindness. Make him feel welcome. I mean, sure, I guess. I mean, that's fine, but... Hi, gang. Hello. So, what seems to be happening today? Oh, a new bratty engine came. Don't call him that, but he is. You guys have fun. Oh, and Thomas, explain what we're talking about to Nia and Kana. All right, Gordon, see you later. Bye-bye. Okay, I think I can come back now. Okay, so basically, Kana and Nia, well, there's a new engine coming to Sodor. Well, he is already on Sodor. It's just, oh, hello. Hello, Nia. Okay, I guess he fainted. Anybody want to help do the honors with me? No. All right. Well, Thomas is busy doing that. Let's spend these last 15 seconds together.